Here we are with the newly installed greenhouse dryer. This was previously intended to dry the karagumoy leaves for baskets. But for now, since we have been working a lot for the stoves and briquettes, we might as well use it for drying the briquettes. But in a few days, we will now commence the experiment to test this model to dry the basket leaves. So, we are now ready with installing the briquettes inside, and we're just very happy to see them at work. Budoy.
Kaway, Budoy.
Kaway, Budoy.
Aray mo yan!
Air dry muna ang pugon.
Gusto na. Waya. Yung ano. Bad makutol.
Yan, pasok ka para...
Okay na. Ano lang.
Okay na.
Bala, nagpuan. Kumain na to.
Pero na lang.
Yan. Ito po ang dalawang unggoy na ako sa Palawan. Ito pa'y kumakain ng bakilaw ng manok.
Oh, sabi na lang yan. Kahoy pa. Bilugon.
Oh, briquette. We put it slowly and we will be sure that the briquette is dry and tomorrow,
Kinat demotion.
yes.
This
briquette it came from paper, pili shelled, and tiny wood moss.
Makingon.
Well, okay na.
Most 1